Everybody wants a long-lasting cord. Is that not true? Yes, it is true. And everybody needs cord that lasts longer. That's the dream of every cord owner. So in today's video, I'll be showing you some tips that will help your cord to last longer, your charger cord to last longer. Either it's the brush, the flat pin, the Type-C, or the lightning cord or the iPhone cord. So what are some of the tips that will help your cord to last longer? 1. Handle your cord with care. It is very important. So what do you need to do? Avoid bending or twisting your cord too much, because if you bend or twist your cord too much, it will get broken. Those tiny wire inside will get broken. And when those tiny wire inside get broken, your phone will not charge or will not charge fast. Another thing is to wrap your cord properly when not in use. Don't bend it or don't twist it. There are some cord you need to fold it 2 times. Some have where you need to wrap the cord. Wrap it properly. Don't squeeze it. Don't bend it. Don't twist it. Another tips that will help you is to keep your cord away from heat or moisture. Yes, heat can melt your cord. Moisture can cause rust to your cord. So get this at the back of your mind. So don't keep your phone on your cord where there is water. It will damage your cord. It will make your cord to malfunction. Your cord will not charge fast. And do not keep your cord near anything heat, such as fire, sun, or any equipment that produce heat if you want your cord to last longer. Another thing is that when unplugging your cord or your phone, don't pull the cord when unplugging it. What you need to do, just grab the plug instead. Don't stand far and pull the cord. It might damage your charging point. It might damage your cord. I hope these tips helps a lot. If you follow these tips, it will help your cord to last longer. Let's recap what we have earlier said. 1. Handle your cord with care. Avoid bending or twisting it. 2. Wrap your cord properly when it is not in use. 3. Keep it away from heat or moisture. 4. Do not pull the cord when unplugging it. Instead, grab the plug well. So those are the tips that will help you to make your cord last longer. I hope this helps a lot. See you in my next video. I hope this helps a lot. Another thing is that don't pair your cord with somebody. That tip usually helps too.